Welcome to our All Access vlog. My name is Darren, and today we have the Mercedes-AMG GLC Coupe in for a vehicle customization and protection program. Let's get into it.
This GLC 43 was brought in for a vehicle protection package, which includes our elements detailing program, a frontal ClearGuard Alpha PPF system, and a host of vehicle customization. The car was first put through our elements detailing program to eliminate pre-delivery imperfections like holograms, swirls, and oxidation. The cabin interior was treated with our dual-stage leather feed system to nourish and protect the upholstery. We're always excited to be a part of your journey to personalize your car with original performance or aesthetic upgrades. Express yourself in unique ways. The wheels and brake calipers were then treated with our hybrid ceramic coating system for that extra brilliant finish and ease of maintenance. To protect the enhanced iridium silver paintwork, we custom wrapped the car in ClearGuard Alpha paint protection film. This PPF features a patent-pending plasma memory system that reacts with oxygen to heal instantly when lightly scratched. Designed for gloss finish paintwork, the PPF also more than doubles the shine of any gloss finished car after installation. Our custom installation also allows for the PPF system to cover the panels from edge to edge, giving our clients complete coverage.
Your car is an extension of your personality, so make it yours. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. As always, we'll see you the next time.